we received from Amazon. Speaker.
Again.
This is a portable speaker.
I got it.
Yep.
I got a ball.
This is the one that's easy to carry. Excuse LJ. Oh, Kathy. Hello, Kathy.
And a boom.
Alright, excuse me, LJ.
And
Alright, box.
a
We can use this later.
mopping. What's in the bowling?
Alright, excuse me. Let's open.
Oh,
Borrow the.
it's gonna work, okay?
Okay.
Not the JD one.
Okay.
More.
Oh, more.
Let me do this one.
Oh, look at that. This is
The abracadabra mop.
the handle.
I'm out of
Look
here.
at that.
We're gonna do half April, half Faye. Stars.
Mommy, I'm out of here. I want to go upstairs.
Okay.
I'm going upstairs.
This is.
Up there.
Uh,
You get upstairs when you want to pick lollipop.
okay.
Gosh, my ball is flying behind my back.
Oh, I'm gonna keep this, I guess. To put this. And what is this? Oh, this for the microphone. It should be microphone one, I think. I got a big one for the house. This is for the one that travels.
That's a microphone.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were talking about. Oh yeah, so we have a big speaker
Turn
over
on.
there.
And where is the thing here for the microphone? Huh. This microphone is already like installed. Oh, wait. Oh, this is weird. This is battery. Look at that. Double A. Barate.
See, it works, and you won't get hurt with it.
Guys, can you hold that big one down? Just me using my better detector.
This is different. This is not rechargeable. I wonder if I can use the other mic.
Incoming.
Yeah, I think. The other two microphones instead of this one. Where's the connection for the mic? This is the power. Where's the mic? Can you look up there if there's more? Because that nothing connects.
I don't know.
Plus. Minus. Maybe this one is just one mic. Go. Let's try this one. Hello. Oh, it's already connected. But we can add a different mic, I guess. So this is guitar volume. Guitar, so we don't need that. This is treble, echo. This is mic volume. Hello. How about the volume for the music? This one. Hello, everybody. Let's turn down the echo. Okay. Mic volume. That's the loudest volume, I think. Is that good?
I feel like that's good.
Hello. Hi. And then with mic echo. Hello. Hello. Hi. What about us? Say hi.
Hi.
Sing.
Ooh.
Lady Gaga. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
That's good. Oh, okay. Hi.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Roar. All right, this is good for traveling. We can take this with us. The other one stays at home because it's bigger. So this one will travel with us tonight. There you go. And that's perfect. Let me see. And if we go somewhere like to the park, I can bring my speaker. And then we go sing. Ooh. This microphone is not rechargeable. This microphone is not rechargeable. Hi, Kathy. What are you doing, girl? All right. Thank you so much for watching. I think we still have more. We need to open some more. I have a microphone for our trip. We're gonna be singing in the car.
Oh no.
We can sing in the car. It's gonna be car.
No.
Yoki. Car.
Probably.
Because it has car. You do it in the car. What was that? Oh my goodness, battery. So I need to have extra battery for the mic.
Karaoke.
Car.
No.
Car.
Karaoke. Yeah.
Car. Okay. Car. Car. Ooh. 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 Echo. And then that's it. Let's open the other box.
I already draw.
Mic can be right here. Okay. And then this one is very well charger USB. I think this one I can put the two mic. Let's try. Let's open this one first. Alright, excuse me. Excuse me out there.
I play tic-tac-toe.
Okay. Alright, this one is the curtain I got. I already got the other 4 bags. Each bag has 2 pairs. 2. One set has 2. Yep, cream. It should be cream to match the red furniture. And then other stuff, what is this? These are the rings for the curtains, curtain rings. And then this one, more rings. I don't know, I clicked twice. More rings. I'll be over ring. And this one I think is the rod. Barote.
Oh,
I'm gonna damage this pen.
this is my pen. No, it's not my pen. But
I think this is the
can I have
curtain
it?
rod.
Oh.
Uh, okay, what is this? What is this? This is the curtain rod. We're gonna connect them. Okay, this and this. Yeah. So only accessory would be 5. So
No, this one's not like that one, so we can have a drawing.
okay, I guess that one is the shorter one. I guess that too. I think this one is the longer one. Let's see. Let me. And we keep the boxes because the cats use them for their scratcher. Okay, this is the longer one. That would cover 4 windows. 4 windows. Alright, user manual. There's manual here. We will read. Okay. Okay, this is like 100 something or 200. 208 inches for this one. Okay. Let's put this back. We will not do this today. We will do this when we come back.
When we came back.
Alright.
We already came back.
We already came back. This one with the power cord. Let's charge this so it's going to be full charge. And let me try to connect the microphone that's wireless to Bluetooth. The other two. If the other two would work, awesome. Alright. Let's charge it. Here. And let me try. Let me see. Alright, let me get the 2 wireless microphones, see if they would connect. Or are they still charging? If this 2 would work, I just need to bring the charger. Alright, let's see. How many minutes? 12 minutes? We might make it to 15 minutes, but it's all right. Okay, Ate, you wanna try?
What am I supposed to try?
The mic,
Sure.
if it works. That's guitar. This one is for mic, I believe. If this would work, it will be amazing. Too close. Hello. That was crazy.
Oh, you somebody.
Hello. Hello. It works. So we can use this
I don't
too.
like that.
It's just not too close. Right here. I have to be far. Like that. Not right next to it. So the 2 microphones work. Yay. We can use this too because these are rechargeable. The one that comes with it is battery operated. That's like a backup. But this too, awesome. Yay. All right, turn this off. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving week.
Bye.
Bye. This works. I'm going to take this.
Mommy, why was there a ghost breathing into the microphone?
I know, it was like, wee. All right.